Good morning. In the last session, we did carburetor. Now, we will look at our final and third type of carburetor, which is SU carburetor. SU basically means it is Skinner's Union carburetor. Skinner's Union was a company which was developed in London in 1900s. And that company has manufactured this type of carburetor. It is basically a constant choke type of carburetor. It is a constant choke type of carburetor. SU carburetor differs completely being a constant vacuum or constant depression type with automatic variable choke. A simplified sketch of this carburetor is shown. It consists of a sliding piston. We have a sliding piston. The lower end of piston is connected to a taper jet needle, which is inserted into our main jet. When the piston is moved up and down, the needle also moves up and down with the main jet. The upper end of the piston is given a flat form, which is known as suction disc. The up and down movement of the piston and suction disc is guided by the means of piston rod and piston rod guide as shown in figure. The piston always remains loaded with the help of a helical spring. The movement of piston is controls the air passage. The main jet of carburetor can be moved up and down along the taper needle by operating a lever from the dashboard. This movement is required to adjust the mixture strength throughout the operating range of carburetor. The carburetor consists of ordinary butterfly type of throttle valve, as we have seen in other types also. The lower portion of suction disc is connected to atmosphere by an air rectifier hole, and the upper portion is connected to throttle air passage. The system does not have any separate idling system, slow running system, or acceleration pump system. The weight of the piston is constant and always set downward. The vacuum in the suction chamber tends to move piston upward. Therefore, at a particular instant, the position of piston is balanced by the weight and constant vacuum produced above the piston. In starting, a rich type of mixture is needed by the engine, which can be obtained by pulling the jet downward with the help of lever attached to it. Therefore, as the throttle is opened, more and more air is allowed to pass through inlet due to upward movement of piston. The upward movement of taper needle also ensures more flow of fuel into the main jet. Thus, air and fuel passage are varied with different engine speed, and velocities of fuel and air remains constant in this type of system. This type of system were particularly used by companies like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Bugatti, etc. So here we complete our all three different carburetors that are solids, which is the most efficient one and most commonly used. Then we have Carter, which is basically used in Jeeps and SUV, and final was SU, which is used in some high-end and highly priced vehicles. In the next session, we will be discussing about fuels and qualities of fuel that can be used in our SI engine or CI engine. Also, we will be talking about alternate fuels which can be used in IC engine. Thank you.